Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Ma'am Urisa from Shore Model School, Noshera campus. Today is the second SVT lecture of chemistry for grade 8, which is question number 2. Make 20 formula by crossing over the valencies of the following radicals. You have to make 20 formulas from the positive and negative radicals by crossing over their valencies. But before explaining this question, you must have to know that what is meant by a chemical formula. Look at the definition of chemical formula. Chemical formula means symbolic representation of a compound. When we represent a compound by its symbol, this is called a chemical formula. Like we represent element by its symbol, sodium symbol is Na, carbon symbol is C. Similarly, we represent compound by its symbol. This is called chemical formula. Why we use chemical formula? What are its importance? Look at the importance of chemical formula. Chemical formula show the type of atoms present in a compound. That what type of atoms is present in a compound. Like we said that water, the chemical formula of water is H2O. From the chemical formula show that it is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. The second is it show the actual number of atoms present in a compound. That how many atoms are present in that compound. Like in water, we say that water is made up of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. This is the actual number of atoms present in a compound. Now move toward the positive radicals and negative radicals. Positive radicals are those atoms which loses electron. It's mean that it is a donor of electron, it donate electron, and the positive charges appear on it. Negative radicals are those atoms which accept electron and a negative charges appear on it. Okay, on positive radicals positive charges appear, and negative radicals negative charges appear. Now what is a valency? Valency show the number of bonds, that how many bonds are formed by that atom in a compound. Now we will make 20 formulas from the positive radicals and negative radicals. Na plus 1 is the positive radical of sodium. Ca plus 2 is calcium. Al plus 3 is aluminium. NH4 plus 1 is ammonium. Mg plus 2 is magnesium. These are the positive radicals. Cl minus 1 is a chloride. O minus 2 is oxide. N minus 3 is nitrite. CO3 minus 2 is carbonate, and SO4 minus 2 is sulfate. These are the negative radicals. You have to make 20 formulas from the positive and negative radicals. Let's move toward our first chemical formula, which is sodium chloride. The first rule for making chemical formula is that write the symbols of the positive and negative radical. Okay, this is the symbol of positive radical and this is the symbol of negative radical. Then the second point is that write the valencies of positive radical and the negative radical. The positive radical valency is +1 and the negative radical valency is -1. Now the third point is that if the valencies of both the elements are same, sodium valency is +1 and chlorine valency is -1, then it will cancel with each other. Okay, the valency of sodium and chlorine is cancelled with each other. Combining both the symbols sodium and chloride, sodium chloride is formed, and the chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. And the sodium chloride NaCl is the chemical formula of table salt, which we use in our home for flavoring our food. Now move toward the second chemical formula. Okay, this is the second chemical formula of calcium and oxide. The calcium formula is Ca plus 2. Oxide formula is O minus 2. Both have same valencies. Okay, calcium and oxide both have same valencies, which is +2 and -2. +2 and -2 will cancel with each other. Combining both the symbols, calcium oxide is formed. Now number third one is aluminium and nitride. Aluminium symbol is Al plus 3 and nitride symbol is -3. Both have the same values. Okay, aluminium is +3 and nitride is -3. Both have the same valencies. The valencies are cancelled with each other. Combining both the symbols, aluminium nitride is formed. Now leave this one because both have a +1 and both have a different valencies. Now come toward the magnesium and sulfate. Magnesium valency is +2 and sulfate valency is -2. Both have the same valencies, that's why it will cancel with each other. Combining both the symbols, magnesium sulfate is formed. Okay, this is the chemical formula of magnesium sulfate. Now move toward the fifth chemical formula. Now all of these are the compound of sodium. Okay, all of these are the compound of sodium. Now sodium formed a chemical compound with the all of these negative radicals given in the table. Sodium formed already compound with the chloride. Now it will form a compound with the oxide. Okay, symbol of sodium is Na plus 1. Oxide symbol is O minus 2. Now the valencies of both the elements are different. Now what will we do? We will do the cross over the valencies. Okay, the valency of oxygen is moved toward the sodium, and the valency of sodium is moved toward the oxygen like this. Okay, Na2O1. No need to write 1. Okay, we know that oxygen is already 1. This is the symbol of sodium oxide, Na2O, sodium oxide. Now come toward the sixth. Okay, sodium will form a compound with a carbonate, with the nitride. Okay, sodium will form a compound with a nitride. Sodium chemical sodium symbol is Na plus 1, nitride is minus 3. Both have a different valencies. What we'll do, we will do the crossover of the valencies. Nitride valency will come toward the sodium, and the sodium valency will come toward the nitride. Okay, we will do a crossover. No need to write 1. Na3N is the chemical formula of sodium nitride. Now this is come toward the seventh chemical formula. Sodium will form a chemical compound with a carbonate. The carbonate symbol is CO minus 2 3. Okay, now it will form the compound with the carbonate. Sodium will form a compound with a carbonate. The sodium valency is plus 1 and carbonate symbol is minus 2. Both have different valencies. Now what will we do? We will do the crossover of the valencies. Minus 2 will come toward the sodium and plus 1 will come toward the carbonate. But no need to write plus 1 because we have already know that carbonate is 1. Write only 2. Na2CO3 is the chemical formula of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is commonly known as washing soda, which we use for washing purpose and in our soap and detergents. Now the sodium will form a compound with sulfate. Okay, here is sulfate. Sodium symbol is Na plus 1, sulfate is So minus 2 4. Both have different valencies. When the elements have different valencies, we will do the crossover of the valencies. Now the sulfate valency is crossed toward the sodium and the sodium valency is crossed toward the sulfate, Na2SO4. This is the chemical formula of sodium sulfate. Now move toward the positive radical, which is calcium. Now calcium will form a compound with all of these negative radical. Okay, number first is chloride. This is calcium. Calcium valency number is plus 2. Chloride valency number is minus 1. Both have different valencies. We will do cross over the valencies. Chlorine valency is minus 1. It will move toward the calcium, and the calcium valency is plus 2. It will move toward the chlorine. CaCl2, calcium chloride is formed. This is the chemical formula of calcium chloride. Okay, no need to write 1. Now the calcium will form a compound with calcium carbonate with the carbonate. Okay, calcium will form a compound with carbonate. Calcium valency is plus 2, carbonate valency is minus 2. Both have same valencies. Okay, calcium is plus 2 and carbonate is minus 2. Both have same valencies. That's why it will cancel with each other. No need to write 2 and 2. The chemical combining both the symbols Ca and CO3. This is the chemical formula of calcium carbonate. Now the calcium will form a compound with sulfate. Calcium symbol is Ca plus 2. Sulfate is So minus 2. For both have same valencies plus 2 and minus 2. These are cancelled with each other. Combining both the symbols calcium sulfate. The calcium, this is the chemical formula of calcium sulfate. Now aluminium will form a compound with the negative radicals. Aluminium symbol is Al and the valency is plus 3. Now the negative radical is, it will form the chloride. Chloride symbol is Cl and its valency is minus 1. Both have different valencies. What we'll do, we will do the crossover valencies. Chlorine valency will move toward the aluminium, and aluminium valency will move toward the chlorine, will move toward the chlorine. Okay, here is a mistake. Okay, this is AlCl3. okay, this is AlCl3. The aluminium valency move toward the chlorine, and the chlorine valency will move toward the aluminium. Aluminium is 1 and Cl is 3. AlCl3 is a chemical formula of aluminium chloride. Now the aluminium will form the compound with the oxygen. Aluminium is Al plus 3, oxygen is O minus 2. Okay, the valency of oxygen is minus 2. Cross over both the valencies. Al plus 3, the plus 3 is moved toward the oxygen and 2 is moved toward the aluminium. Al2O3 aluminium oxide is formed. These are the rest of the chemical compounds of aluminium with carbonate, sulfate, ammonium compound with chloride, ammonium compound with oxygen, ammonium compound with carbonate. Okay, take a closer look. And these are the compound of magnesium with chloride, oxide and carbonate. You have to make 20 formulas by crossing over the valencies of positive and negative radical like this. Thank you.